All right, and it's time for another end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from postwavetrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports. Getting right into it, here is Facebook. We're going to look at a couple of key things tonight because I want to go over a couple things with you. As you can see here, the market is benefiting from the rally alert. We got nice upside production today in this one, and I anticipate that this is going to try to continue and possibly test 300. I know, wacky markets, but what can you say? You got to go with what you see. Now, I don't think the precious metals are going to fare as well. Here is gold futures. As you can see here, here is the crash alert. This is an anomaly that we have not seen. I don't see this that often. It is a rarity indeed, but it does happen. Where you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 7th day, you drop. Normally, the pulse waves lead the market 3 to 5 days out. But in this situation, it already did it. It took 7 days. So now we're getting that downside production, and I think this one's going to fall pretty hard. All right, next up is the NASDAQ 100. I want to look at this one because this and the Russell are very interesting. You can see the bears are still in control of this market as the market's having problems at the overhead resistance zone. Here's your crash alert back here. And you can see how it's keeping the rallies at bay inside the Kumo cloud, and we're in jeopardy now of just rolling over and falling off the cliff here in the NASDAQ 100. Keep that in mind because remember, when we look at Facebook, it's going the opposite direction of the NASDAQ 100. All right, it's headed north instead. Very interesting charts at the moment. You could make the argument that since you failed taking out the bullish pointer on the following bar, creating another bullish pointer, that this can act as a failed zone and we won't get a retest and take out of the pointers. And instead, this one caves in between 290 and 295. So this could be really interesting moving forward when you look at the dichotomy between Facebook and the NASDAQ 100 futures. All right, looking at the Russell My Hustle futures, as you can see here, we already have an official crash alert on this one for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Bottom of the Kumo cloud is the target at 2050. So we're looking at a possible 120 point drop coming in the Russell My Hustle. This one could be interesting. If you missed the first crash alert back here, and you missed all of this, this is your second opportunity because we should get a leg equal or greater than this one here on the initial thrust and on the downside. So this one could really, really cave in. All right. So got to watch that one and be careful there. The next up is the silver futures. Just like gold, you can see it's dangling over the cliff. All right. It's starting to fall off that cliff. Here's your crash alert back here. And here's all the downside production that we're starting to get. And this one's wide open. This could fall sub 20. This could drop into the teens. Got to be careful on this silver one here. It looks a lot weaker and deadlier on the downside than the gold. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, here was the rally alert coming into today, and you got that upside production. Even though we're close to that overhead resistance, there's a good chance that this could punch through 60,000. Bitcoin's one of those that you just can't sleep on it. No matter what, you cannot sleep on it because it can surprise you. All right, next up, we got DOT. All right, so DOT's been hanging in there. It had this decline, and now you came in today with a rally alert, and you got that upside production. I think it wants to continue to push a little bit higher. It's not near the resistance zone yet. I think resistance will be around $37 for the DOT, but we'll see how much energy is left in it. All right, here is your Theta. And Theta had that nice initial run up, Pullback, here's your rally alert. Now today you got that upside production. So theta is trying to pop too. This is a bullish pointer. High probability of that getting taken out. Last but not least, we have XRP Ripple. Here's the rally alert, and here's the upside production here, but having problems at the overhead resistance, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. Even though you got these two bullish back-to-back pointers, they are inside the Kumo cloud, so you got to make contingencies for that. And of course, the massive bullish pointer way back here. This one is anyone's guess, as the trading range has been established, and it is a wide one. So hard to say what we're going to see and what we're going to get out of this one. It's any man's guess. It could go just about anywhere and do whatever it wants to do at this point in time. Really hard to say, and I have no idea what it wants to do. So we're just going to keep watching for clues and see what the alerts give us. All right, this is Litecoin. We came into today with a rally alert, got that upside production. Having problems punching through the top of the Kumo cloud here. It's having this is a major resistance area. Trying to push to 200. Just be prepared. Try to pop your way through it if you can, and then just get ready for the possible pullback on that one. All right. You say you want to see OTRK. Let's see if I can pull that up. OTRK. All right. This is on the NASDAQ. On track, I believe. On track. Okay. All right. Let's see. On track. Whoa. Okay. This one had a big break back here on February the 26th. On the next trading session, you dropped from $58.94 all the way down to $33.87. Ouch. And we've since back and filled the gap a little bit, and now we've come back down again to test this support. Today you came into today with this crash alert here. You did get a little bit of downside production. So this one is now threatening to drop below 20 bucks. This is an ouch. This is a big ouch. I don't know what's going on with this stock, but it seems to be on the decline. Let me see if there's any clues I can decipher from the weekly algo report. Okay, on the weekly, yes, even worse. You're below the Kumo cloud, below the trend line. Yeah, you're looking extremely bearish here. I don't know if what the news is that came out or what have you, but this one looks like it's pretty much done. Had a little bit of heyday here, rallying from $5 up to $100, and now falling all the way down to the 20s. Yeah, that's drastic. The sellers are truly in control of this market right here. All right, that's all I got time for tonight. So you know what it is. Smash that like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.